Najua kuna wazazi bado wanahangaika hapa na pale wakitafuta vile watoto wao wataenda. Tunajua serikali yetu kupitia Wizara ya Elimu imeweza kutoa scholarship ya elimu, scholarship 23 ambayo wale watoto wanyonge zaidi wameweza kupewa ili wasomeshwe kwa hiyo miaka 3 watakuwa kwa senior school. Tunajua vizuri ya kwamba Mheshimiwa Maua pia ako na sponsorship yake kupitia CDF na pia women rep pia juzi amepeana bursaries kwa watoto wanyonge, lakini hiyo haitoshi. Lazima sisi tushikane mikono. Kama unafanya kazi mahali na kuna scholarship, tuletee huku. Tuko na watoto ambao wazazi wao hawana uwezo lakini wako na hamu ya kusoma. Tuko hapa na the area chief na assistant chief wako hapo nje. Tuko na members of security committee tulikuja na wao. Nimependa tu kuwa recognize mahali wako. Sasa nichukue hii nafasi ili nialike Mheshimiwa Maua ili wasalamie alafu waweze kuita Mheshimiwa Alice. Asanteni sana.
Thank you so much. Our area DCC, our Vicar General AS na Kraje yote. Waziri, tuwashukuru sana kwa kuwa pamoja nasi. Tunajua hii familia unaijua, ulikuwa the member of parliament na Juguna alikuwa anafanya kazi kwako, na Juguna tunamjua kama Juguna wa Muthoni. Ugonake brado na MP wake niko nani anewera mwega arutaga na gutire handu athiaga agakira akaga kwiricognize na ofisi iri arutaga nayo. Family ya Kang'ethe na wari wa Githaku Kĩanyu na arĩa othe tukite kuma Kĩrĩro Akandara na andũ a gũkũ gwitũ Maragwa constituency, mũrĩega. Ngai nĩ mwega na hĩndĩ ciothe. Nĩ tũracokeria Ngai ngatho nĩ tondũ wa inyuothe mũkĩte, na especially arĩa mũrateithĩrĩirie kuharĩria igongona rĩa mam, so that we may give her a befitting send-off, and we want to congratulate the people from the US wenye walikuwa wanakaa na mam hiyo miaka yote from 1995. That is not a short time, na mkaona ni vizuri msidikize mwili wake mpaka hapa nyumbani na kutoka hapa kwa kanisa mpaka nyumba yake ya mwisho ya kupumzishwa pale kaburini. So we envy you na tunamwambia ni asanti. Uria wothe utugatanaga ni agatugatwo. Ithuĩ kanitha twĩ haha nĩ ũndũ wa igongona rĩrĩ, na twĩre family ya Kang'ethe poleni sana, na ndikwenda gũcokera maũndũ maingĩ tondũ nĩ marie maruo rũrĩa mũndũ akoragwo naruo, especially arucĩte mũciari wake, na attachment ya mũndũ na nyina, especially nyina, nĩ nene mũno. Na ndiũĩ nĩkĩ, but it is godly, tondũ mwana akũragĩra nyũmba-inĩ ya nyina nda, agaciarwo including even the clergy, akonga nyondo cia nyina, wake observaga nyina, tumwana tuikagia maguru tukoya tumaguru iguru, gutireka mundu unyitaga nyondo ya nyina na hinya ta mwana wa kahii. Tuiritu ni tu relaxaga kidogo, na therefore the attachment ya mwana na nyina is so much. So poleni sana, take heart, na Ngai arĩ o gĩtĩ-inĩ, na ucio wamuhete mami wanyu nowe uri muroraga na nowe uri muikaragia. To tukiuga turitindaga kwanyu tutakuwa tumemdanganya. No Ngai ucio, na noguo our bishop atwira, Ngai ucio ngimwinyitirira ni aguguturia, ni agukumenyerera, na ni uguthie, na ni ukuhota nginya na kurumirira legacy ucio gutigite. Ni ndire mami witu, papa witu akuire when I was below 10 years, na koguo Njogu na angikorwo tumesimama mutasimama. All what we play is the four sons. Please na mumenyerere. Ya kumalizia, because I do not want to take a lot of time, and get that tuhurukie ma mutene tutikwenda kumucerithiria. Ni no gucokeria waziri ngatho mutene tutikwenda kumucerithiria. Ni no gucokeria waziri ngatho onako ni aimire from the political space ario thiini wa administration ithondeketwo from the politics. Na koguo waziri njuge ni ngatho ni tondu aria warutaga wira nao when you are in office nduri wetikira kumatiganiria, and that is why you are here today. Ari murata waku na gukurutira wira mwega, including the whole of the family of Kirirwa na wa miaramano ya Kandara constituency. Dathurirwo on the platform ya kuga mugikahe giti garumirira makinya ma muheshimiwa Alice Muthoni wa Wahome. And because Kandara neighbors Maragwa, andu a Maragwa ni maiguaga wira uria warutitwo ni waziri Alice that time, Mheshimiwa Alice Muthoni wa Wahome. So ithu tungiuga thirikari ya William Samoei Ruto tutire siasa ine ithue kuria cio marahoya ite ithue ite ni mwatuheire, ithu tungiuga ni wira turaruta na tukarikiriria na kuga wira uke. So on behalf of the people of Maragwa constituency, we want to echo what the administration of William Samoei Ruto is doing. Todo kugerera kwe ministry yaku, we have a lot which is happening in Maragwa constituency. Twina thukuru nyingi turarutirwo as a CSR ya affordable housing, na turiona affordable housing irathi na mbere kuria Makuyu. We have a whole secondary school Dera ya keto hatari ciringi rutetwo gwi CDF na hatari ciringi rutetwo kuri muciari. It is on last stage ya completion nigetha ciana citu cia grade 10 kura cingikorwo cihihinyanite cihota. We have markets which are still under your docket. We have Sabasaba market which is at 70% stage. We have at Ishobo a market which is ongoing around 40%. We have another one which is about Turahenania. Mutikwaria to mutiria Maragwa. Isio ne nganoi. But we, the people of Maragwa, we know what is happening on the ground. Sorry, ne dona inywe the muria Kandara dagweta ngano mutoi. No ni wega muigwe ithwe Maragwa ni turaruta wira na turoiga wira wiyarie when that time comes. So ni ngiuga tukorwo na ihinda rina thayo, acio maroka gutuhoya kura, let us listen to them, let us accommodate them. Ni andu aitu na ihinda ringi gakinya ni ukarora uria wigitiine kana ni arutite wira vis-a-vis acio maratucerera. Gwenda kurikia na kuga andu a Ngai rekei turugame na aria mena mathina. No ngikorwo we murathime ni Ngai, including those who are in US. Twina ciana nyingi muno itarahota gukinyira githomo. Right now, hindi ria bishop ni nguoyaga guoko iguru tondu ndina a lot of pain ni aciari aria marandokera makirira to mwana ni ararira akamwe makaiga ciana iraiga ni kwĩita and all this kind of a thing. Nito economy is not really doing well. No tulifaga things will be better tomorrow. Koguo ngikorwo hena mwana ungihota guteithĩrĩria kugurira kiratu and uniform nona kuikia ciringi ciganona no tugukena. We are happy of the government tondu ni retikirire kuhingura, ni retikiria aciari mahote gutransfer ciana kuri thukuru iria mangihota all the way up to C4 nigetha muciari ahote guthomithia. We are also happy of the government tondu na gutire kwa happen ate before thukuru ihinguritwo capitation had already hit the accounts of the school. Arutani, the government has employed more than 100,000 teachers. Wana gutire thirikari ire yandika arutani aingĩ ũguo. So haria tũngĩhota gũteithania, thirikari ũmenye nĩ niĩ nawe, na thirikari ĩrutaga mbeca kuma kũrĩ magoti marĩa tũrutaga. So where you can be able to assist, please assist. Waziri thirikari-inĩ ya William, whatever extra you can be able to get, starting with Kadara, that is where you come from, let us also pour otoguo kũrathi na mbere Maragwa tũtigĩtwo na thutha. Tondũ by the end of the day nĩ tũkaria cia waziri Harris nĩ arehire 1 2 3 4 many. Tondũ ndĩhuragĩria Kene ĩhuragĩria kĩ kayo. Na kwoguo kwanyu nĩ Mũrang'a wambĩrĩirie na Kadara, ũcokererie kwĩragwo wa mũhaka nĩ akĩragĩrio, and therefore we envy you and we are happy